Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Canton, local and long distance movers near me. Relocating from Canton to another state is an intricate and complicated process. With decades of moving experience, we offer professional interstate moves that will make the process streamlined. Our team is well trained to precisely pack, unpack, load, and unload your possessions meticulously and at all costs to avoid breaking and damages to your items. We offer swift and convenient long distance moving either to or from Canton. Some of the services included in the long distance moving package include packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. Are you planning to move from one house to another or across the state? We are a reputable and local moving company with unquestionable experience and high-end technology to make the process streamlined. We have the most innovative technology to ensure the safety of your items in the loading and unloading process. With years of experience, you can only expect a streamlined process in your local move. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Canton moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.